In the previous class, we have done estimation and estimating the product. But today we are going to do multiplication by 10, 100, 1000. Alright. So multiplying by 10. What is the rule to multiply by 10? When we multiply a number by 10, we can get the product by inserting a 0 at the end of the number. So here two numbers we have taken. One 420, another 4000, and we are multiplying by 10. Okay, both of these numbers. So 420 when multiplied by 10, it gives 4200. Means 420 is here and 1 0 is increased here in the product. Right? Why? Because in 10 only 1 0 is there. Similarly 4000 when multiplied by 10, the result is 40,000. So 4000, it is here 4000, but in product 1 0 is increased. Why? Because we are multiplying by 10 and 10 has 1 0. Alright. So this can be shown by diagrammatically also. Here I am multiplying 420 into 10. So for 400, each counter denotes 100. Like 100, 100, 100, 100, and this becomes 400. And here 20, 10, 10, 20. And we are multiplying this by 10. So when we multiply by this 400 into 10, then 100 into 10, 1000, 100 into 10, 1000, 100 into 10, 1000, 100 into 10, 1000. Similarly, when we multiply these two tens with this 10, then see the result. 10 into 10, 100, 10 into 10, 100. Okay, so here 420 into 10, this becomes 4200. Similarly, here also we have done like each counter denotes 1000. So there are 4000. So we are multiplying this 1000 by 10, 10,000. This 1000 by 10, it becomes 10,000. 1000 by 10 becomes 10,000. Again 1000 into 10, 10,000. So see here, each counter denotes 10,000. So 4 counters are there, that means what? 40,000. So when we multiply 4,000 into 10, it becomes 40,000. Now, multiplying by 100 or 1,000. When we multiply a number by 100 or 1,000, we can get the product by inserting 2 or 3 zeros at the end of the number respectively. Like 678, when multiplied by 100, it becomes 67,800. Just here. So here 2 zeros are increased. Similarly, when multiplied 79 by 1000, then in the product 3 zeros are increased. You can see here 1000 has 3 zeros. So in the product also 3 zeros are there. Here also 100 has 2 zeros. So in the product also 2 zeros are here. So examples are here. See here, multiply 31 by 100. So by counters making by diagrammatically also we can show this 31 by 100. So 31, 10, 10, 10, and here is 1. 31 multiplied by 10. So 10 into 100, 1000, 10 into 100, 1000, 10 into 100, 1000, and 1 into 100, 100. So these 3 thousands become 3000s and plus 100. So this is what? 3100. So 31 into 100, 3100. Similarly, here 31 by 1000. So see what is important here. Here we are multiplying by 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. So in the product also 3 zeros will be there like here. Okay. So 10, 10, 10, and here 1. It becomes 31. When multiplied by 1000, then 10 into 1000, 10,000, 10 into 1000, 10,000, 10 into 1000, 10,000, and 1 into 1000, 1,000. So 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. When these are added, it becomes what? 30,000, and here 1,000, 31,000. So 31 into 1,000, the result is 31,000. Clear? Now, multiplication by 2-digit number. You can see here, multiplying 3-digit and 4-digit numbers by tens. So here I am giving you some example. You can see here 343 into 30. So here 2-digit number is there. We are multiplying by 2-digit number, and here also 343 into 30. So here you can see some examples I have given on the board. First of all, let me tell you, when we multiply numbers by 10, 100, 1000, then the results are like this. Okay, since we are multiplying by 10 here, so 1 0 is increased. And in second example, we are multiplying by 100, so 2 zeros are increased in the product. And in third case, we are multiplying by 1000, so 3 zeros are increased in the product. Okay, so multiplication by two-digit number, here you can see, children, 462 into 30. Here 2-digit number is there. By this number we are multiplying 462. So this can be expressed as 462 into, this 30 can be splitted. Okay, how? 10 into 3. We have splitted here, 10 into 3. So 462 into 10, it becomes 4620, and this 3. So when 462 is multiplied by 3, the result is 13,860. Means when 4620 is multiplied by 3, the result is what? 13,860. Now second method, see here. In this method what we do, 462 into 30, both are same, just we have done the exchange of digits, exchange of numbers. You can see 426 into 3 into 10. But here what we had done, 462 into 10 into 3, but here 3 into 10 we have done. Nothing is what done, just simple change we have done here. So when we multiply 426 into 3, the result is what? 1386 into 10. So we are multiplying by 10, and 10 has only 1 0.